Welcome back to KK Autos, your trusted channel for the latest and most innovative vehicles in the world. Today we're exploring something extraordinary, the BYD Motorhome 2026. This isn't just another motorhome. It's a bold step into the future of eco-friendly travel, designed for people who want freedom, comfort, and sustainability all in one vehicle. Let's start with the exterior design. At first glance, the BYD Motorhome 2026 looks futuristic, sleek, and unlike any traditional camper van. Its sculpted lines, aerodynamic curves, and full-width LED lighting signature give it a commanding presence on the road. The front fascia is bold yet elegant, reflecting BYD's design language that blends modern sophistication with rugged practicality. Built with lightweight, eco-friendly composite materials, the body not only reduces weight, but also improves efficiency and durability. The elevated stance and optional all-wheel drive system make it look just as ready for the highway as for adventurous off-grid locations. Moving to the interior, this is where the BYD Motorhome 2026 truly shines. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a space that feels more like a smart home than a camper. The living area has been designed with modularity in mind, featuring convertible sofas that transform into a spacious bed, a foldable dining table, and panoramic windows that create an open, airy atmosphere. Natural light floods the cabin during the day, while customizable ambient LED lighting sets the mood at night. The kitchenette is compact yet fully functional, equipped with an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, and clever storage compartments. Everything is designed for efficiency, so whether you're making a quick breakfast or preparing a full meal for the family, the BYD Motorhome has you covered. Sleeping arrangements are versatile. The main lounge area easily converts into a double bed. And for larger families, an optional pop-up roof provides extra sleeping space for 2 more people. The bathroom is compact but well-equipped, featuring a shower, a water-saving toilet, and a sink. With BYD's focus on sustainability, water and power systems are optimized for off-grid living. Now let's talk about what really makes the BYD Motorhome 2026 unique, its performance and powertrain. Unlike traditional motorhomes that rely on noisy, fuel-hungry diesel engines, this BYD creation is fully electric. Powered by BYD's cutting-edge battery technology, it offers a range of up to 400 miles on a single charge. For long journeys, fast charging capability allows you to recharge up to 80% in under an hour, making road trips not only possible, but incredibly convenient. And it doesn't stop there. The BYD Motorhome 2026 also comes with roof-mounted solar panels, which help extend the battery life by charging essential onboard systems such as lighting, appliances, and climate control. This means you can park in remote destinations and still enjoy the comforts of modern living. For adventurers who love exploring rough terrain, the optional all-wheel drive system adds capability, giving you confidence whether you're cruising highways, mountain roads, or unpaved trails. The driving experience is smooth, quiet, and surprisingly powerful. Instant torque from the electric motors makes acceleration effortless, while regenerative braking helps recover energy and extend driving range. The low center of gravity, thanks to the floor-mounted battery pack, ensures stability even when the motorhome is fully loaded. Now, let's explore the technology inside. At the heart of the cockpit is a large digital infotainment display that integrates navigation, entertainment, and vehicle diagnostics. You can plan routes with charging stations in mind, monitor your battery status, and even control smart home-style features like interior lighting and climate systems. Voice commands allow you to adjust settings hands-free, while BYD's intelligent AI assistant makes the driving experience even smoother. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The BYD Motorhome 2026 comes loaded with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and even automated parking. Driving a motorhome has never been this easy or stress-free. One of the most exciting aspects of the BYD Motorhome is its pricing. While most electric motorhomes push well past the 6-figure mark, BYD has managed to keep the starting price at around $85,000. That's an incredible achievement considering the technology, sustainability, and luxury offered here. Compared to its competitors, this price makes the BYD Motorhome 2026 a game-changer in affordability. Beyond just being a vehicle, the BYD Motorhome represents a new lifestyle. It gives families, couples, and solo travelers the ability to explore the world without worrying about rising fuel costs or leaving a heavy carbon footprint. Imagine waking up in the mountains, by the sea, or in the heart of the desert, all while enjoying the comfort of a fully powered, eco-friendly home on wheels. That's the vision BYD has delivered with this motorhome. In conclusion, the BYD Motorhome 2026 isn't just another addition to the camper market. It's a bold statement that electric mobility isn't limited to cars and buses. It's the future of travel and exploration. With its futuristic design, luxurious and versatile interior, powerful all-electric drivetrain, and competitive pricing, it stands as one of the most exciting innovations in the world of motorhomes. So what do you think? Would you take the BYD Motorhome 2026 on your next big adventure? Drop your thoughts in the comments below because we'd love to hear from you. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to KK Autos for more in-depth looks at futuristic cars, campers, and everything in between. Until next time, this is KK Autos, bringing you closer to the future of mobility.